This is Bosch GLM 500. It's a professional laser measuring tape. It works on batteries and it can measure distances up to 50 meters. Here I have an office space with a huge area, and today we're going to try and measure distances, areas and the volume of this room. So let me explain to you exactly how this device works. Here we have the on and off button. If we press it, we turn on the device. Here we have a button to change the measurement starting point. We can switch between bottom of the device, top of the device, middle of the device. We press the on and off button to go back. This button, called function, if we press it, we get to choose from a variety of functions: continuous distances, areas, volumes, angles, and we can even use it as a spirit level. We have a button here to save our measurement, and this red button here is to start the measuring. Now I'm going to start with measuring distances only. We choose the distance measurement, we make sure that we're measuring from the bottom of the device, and we turn on the laser. After turning on the device, we have to make sure that the device is level, and usually within 1 degree it's accurate enough. We press the red button once again to take the measurement, and it shows 16.626 meters. Now I'm going to change the function, area measurement. We press here. First measurement is 10 meters and a half. And our area is 173 meters squared. Now we're changing the mode to volume. We're measuring the height of the room. Almost 2.4 meters. And our volume is 457 meters cubed. As you can see from this short tutorial, this device is very accurate, practical and easy to use. You don't need anyone's help, and your measurements are always perfect. If you want to purchase this product, please click the link in the description or leave a comment and we will contact you. Fepy provides free delivery across all Emirates of UAE.